Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's United's version of a carrier landing. And welcome to Newark Liberty Airport. The time is approximately 5 minutes before noon. We'll continue to taxi to our assigned gate of B63. Please remain seated until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign and until your row has been called. This is to facilitate social distancing. So we're going to call you up according to your row numbers. Please remain seated until your row has been called. We're going to start off with rows 1 through 12, and then we'll proceed onward towards the back of the aircraft. Just a reminder that here in the state of Jersey, there is a $50 fine if you're giving a ticket for not having your mask. So please observe social distancing and responsibility by using your mask. Cover your nose and mouth without any modification, with exception children under the age of 2. Please no smoking until the designated smoking area. For those of you making connections here, which is what, 62% of the cabin. After you've gone through the formalities, there's an opportunity for you to check your bags. Please proceed to the left, not right. Go to the left and have it sent to your final destination.
Please watch it.
You'll then need to take the air train over to the Terminal C building to proceed on with your journey. Need further assistance, please check with your ground staff. On behalf of United, thanks for joining us today. Special welcome to our passengers who diverted by the seat. And hope you enjoy the flight. Take care and welcome to the United States of America.